Look here, Dharma. Look here. Oh god, the music is loud. Hold on. Whoa. And that is why I had my music on full blast. That's a great sign. Right. Always good to get those levels out. Right. Look here, mister. Look here. I'm half tempted tonight just to make a shit ton of redeems just for you. Dude, I have been thinking about that. I have been looking and I was thinking about adding like sound effects and all that you guys can activate. Which I might do. I might do. Not entirely. I've got a lot of work here. Like, I mean, just look at this. I'm doing a lot of work here. Right, let me compile this and then save it. And then, oh yeah, let me show off what I've done so far. So this is the main menu. Um, fuck. I forgot that I didn't add. Damn it. I'm gonna have to create a, Well, anyways, yeah, as you can see, I've done it so that whenever I click options... Oh shit, I realize you can't see my... Okay, I'm gonna make myself smaller. There we go. Right. Yeah, when I click options, it does, in progress in the top here to let me, like... It basically tells me, hey, you know, get this shit working in Kipper. Then I've also got multiplayer in progress as well. But, if you press quit, it quits you out the game. But if you press campaign, it launches you into the first level, which has absolutely nothing because because I'm still working on it. But look, it's got parkour! Hardcore parkour! It's progress, okay? It took me a long while to do, I think what took so long was just the background for this, because I did all this in Blender. Adding the dice, the cards, and then the character with the thing. I don't think it looks too bad. I do want to change it. Oh, is it a 3D game? It was always going to be a 3D game. It's a card game, but it's 3D. Have you never played like a game like Inscription, Runeterra, or like what other 3D card games is? Monster Train. Monster Train is another card game. That one's not well known though, I don't think. There are plenty of, like, it's always been a 3D game. I mean, look, you literally got the card the card itself is 3D. What card games have you been playing on the, because the early games I play is, I mean, the only card game that I've played that isn't 3D is, like Solitaire or, no, but then again, you can play Solitaire in Tabletop Simulator, which is 3D. Or Balatro is 2D. But I mean, it's mostly preference of the creator. But a lot of the games I've played that I enjoyed when it comes to card games are 3D, like Inscription. Inscription's a 3D card game. Magic the Gathering Online is a 3D, Runeterra is a 3D card game. Monster Train's a 3D card game. I'm trying to think of what else. But yeah, no, I could do 2D. The problem with me doing 2D is the problem with me doing 2D is that I'm not I'm a decent artist, but it takes me a long time to do really cool looking art. For example, this card alone, the front of the card took me an entire week, and then the bottom of the card, which you can't see, hold on, let me do my parkour. This bottom of the card took me an entire week. I mean, I don't have to worry about the bottom of the card, but if I were to do the front card, I mean, I did have it as a card layout so that I don't have to redo the... Anyways, if I were to do all the pictures and everything for every single card, because I'm planning on adding a lot of cards, that would take me fucking years and years. Um, oh, then again, nah. With what I have planned, because I wanna make it. I'm very inspired by Inscription, so I have a couple of ideas that I'm planning on doing. Right, I am getting too distracted. I'm getting too distracted by my own brilliance of a look. Beautiful. Look at this. I actually have it as my background now. Yeah, it's this is how obsessed I am with what I made. I made it into my wallpaper. Um, Probably concerning. Anyways, I'm planning on changing up how this looks. I mean, I'm keeping the font. I like how the font looks, but I'm thinking I might do a different color because this color looks. I don't know. Maybe I should keep it as white. Hmm. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. But I do love how the dice looks down here and the got the card decks and everything. Brilliant. Anyways, I need to stop playing because I need to bloody do my. Right, this is what I've been working on. I've been working on options because. Well, the reason why I'm working on options is because, like, not everyone. I mean, I want to have it so that people can run it on the high resolution because right now I have this running at a lower resolution than it can be. Actually, do I risk it? Right. Oh, where did that show up? I don't know why it keeps doing this, but it keeps going on this side. Right. Oh wait, that's the wrong thing. Scalability is here. Yeah, look, I have it running on medium, my game. But the reason why I have it on medium is because my computer's not that great. But if I were to have it on, let's say epic, watch how my computer dies. Oh no. Right. Okay, get ready. I love how I'm like, oh yeah, no, like to save on resources, I'll only like, oh no, oh no, oh my goodness, okay, eh, eh, eh. I mean, because the good thing is you can see like the other side because the shadows are but this is the high quality. Okay, I'm sorry, this is killing my computer. Right, that's the high quality. But if I were to go down to what my quality, which is medium, because I don't have the best computer in the world. Running it, right. Running it, you can see that you can no longer see the shadows underneath because my computer. Oh no. I feel like my little PNG I made broke for a second there. So I want it so that if people have like a better computer than me, they can up the resolution, up the graphics, or lower it. If they want to run this on like a tiny little, if they want to run this on their smart fridge, I'm gonna have it so they can run it on the lowest resolution, which would be interesting. Right. Right, what am I doing? I've also I was last working on something. No, I don't even remember. Hold on. I was working on having it so that. How do I get to my events menu? Oh, graph. There we go. Yeah. So I haven't done it yet so that when I click options, it goes to the options menu just yet because I want to finish sorting out each one of the buttons. But I'm gonna get there. Well, I hope I get there. Right. Hmm. I can relax now. Right. Uh, duh, 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 duh. Also, I do apologize about my mic. My mic's been playing up for some reason. Right. Huh. Let me go to this button, because I did that one now, so I want to do my resolution. Why is it called button 1? Damn it! I did the wrong thing! I did the text box, I was meant to do this. Yeah, I know. Hold on, but the tech as text. Button. See, it just goes to show you how dumb I am not to realize I clicked on the wrong thing. And then... Oh no, that one's correct, that one's correct, but it's button. See? This is how much of an idiot I am. I don't realize. No, no. Here's the thing: is sometimes it is. I think it's just when I click the wrong hitbox. Right. Okay. Now I'm just gonna double check. There we go. Right. So now on clicked. There we go. Resolution plus. Let's put that there and get nope, nope. Unclick. Hit U above. Because this is technically the first one, where this is the second one. Actually, wait, no, I need to create resolution. I think I turn it into an integer. Ooh, what's nah, integer. Right. Do I even know what I'm doing? Half time now. Oh god, no, no. 4. Right. Right. So now if I connect this to this, and then this to this, and then compile. God, you don't know how smart I feel right now. I feel like I'm a genius, but for something so simple, I feel like a genius. Does that just show you how dumb I am? Right. Subtract. Right. Copy. Value. I could just do it to the index because the index will just do it automatically. Whatever it's on. Currently. Sorry, oh god, my throat died there for a moment. Alright, it's just so I have this correct. Resolution index. Subtract by here we go. Subtract by 1. When it subtracts y1, it goes through the values of the index, and then, so as long as I join up the set index to on click, it should create the a graph line from the index. I do just realize I haven't made the index yet though. Just get it. I don't want to set anything yet. Right. One day I'll click the right thing, one of these days. Okay, so this is the index. This is the index in which I can have it so they can choose between the resolutions depending on their computer. Not yeah. I was gonna say the windowed, but I was like, no, the window's already done. Right. Right. Resolution. Right. Set. I don't think it's the right thing. Hold on. Right, and then do I just I think I just copy this, right? Oh god, I'm gonna have to organize this, aren't I? Right. Um, and then this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 4. Did I do one for the default? Because the default would be 19 by 80 by here. Yeah, default. Easy. Right, and then resolution 500. 140, which is 2K, and then the last one would be 4K, which is 3. You think 4K would be like 4,000, but it's not. It's 340 by like 2. I should search up, but I'm guessing this is correct. Right. Compile, save. So resolution's done, that's done. Right. One clicked. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of Wado. In Wado, the nodes is a node-based system as well. Right. Okay, I got plus and minus again. Index. Shit, I didn't mean to do a fucking. Ah! Hold on, I'm just gonna stretch for a second. Oh, it's always good to stretch. If any time you're ignoring to stretch, because don't do it. Always stretch because it's turning your butt. Like one of your muscles need to move. Right. Did I have that as 40? Didn't do that. Right. To 4. I'm gonna have this down here. Well, actually, stop. If I could spell one of these days, I would be fucking a god. Y'all would be fucked if I couldn't spell. If I couldn't spell? If I could spell. If I could also do English, y'all would be fucked. Right. Having this down here. Because what I need to do is set the graphics indicator to excuse and wow. I hate it when it doesn't click on what I hover over. Right. Control V. And then, oh shit, hold on. Over there. Right. Compile. So. Right. And then VSync. I mean, I know no one ever really touches the VSync, but I like to have it because it's on every game that I ever fucking play, so, you know. Gotta make sure to keep up with the normal values. Right. Also, it doesn't hurt to give players options depending on their computers. It's what I wish for most games. It's like a little bit like give players options to do. I mean, at one stage I do want to have it so they can choose to change the inputs. But I'm not smart enough to do that just yet. Right. Compile, save. Right, I need another button to do a save. Actually, no, just reply you. Alright. Interesting. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to there, huh? Why not just... How does one move downwards? What if I do 50 now? Maybe 100. No, I like to do 50 as well. Right. Right. Clicked. Apologies if I'm very quiet, just because I'm doing a little bit of thinking and a little bit of reading. Because on my other screen I do have unrolls and what each variable does, which I'm going to be in need of. Window mode gets... set over... Oh wait, no, this is... Hold on. Fuck me, I'm not great at doing this. How do I get rid of this line? That's not what... Okay, good to know that that's how you do that, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted to do... Okay, this, it needs to be... here. Oh no, this is... Right. I wanna... Can I... I'm gonna go insane at this rate. Just wanna move you, mate. There we go. Right. There we go. That looks tidier, I think. Maybe not, but who cares? Set vsync. Um, I feel like I'm doing something wrong here. B. I feel like I'm missing something. Maybe look at all the vsyncs. Not vsyncs, all the sets. Looking for settings. Set ranger scale. Set hardware cursor. Set viewpoint. Thing. There are so many variables. How the fuck does everyone know what they're fucking doing? Look at all this. Right. Get input so you get sync into it. Yeah. No, that's not. I'm like an idiot. I'm doing something wrong here. What am I doing? Apparently going crazy, apparently. Right. Looking for settings. Here we go, this is what I was after. God, trying to find that was a nightmare. Set. Solid. I don't know how to fucking. Right, set. Screen. Resolution. Right, apply settings. I'm trying my best, hold on. Ah, no, you're gonna sneeze! I feel better now. I'm so glad I caught that. Right, apply, settings. Right. Follow. Follow the leader, follow the leader. Oh. Uh. Shit. Shit, no, I don't want to promote that to variable. That's my bad. Right, I think that was right on, hon. Apply settings. There we go. Right. Why is the same name for two fucking things? Load settings. Get proof. So wait, no, shit, I'm fucking up here, aren't I? I am smart. When I want to be. Alright, I've done that wrong one. Drag in our window mode and set it. Get over all. How do English, please. Thank you. Right. Quick index set. We sync. Set. Get screen usage. Get screen. Set. Excuse me, what? Thank you. Right. Break. Point. Point. I need a branch. Set. Wait, no, I should get the... Probably. $1,600. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to do this for each and every one. If it's false, go for this. Do I have 4 or 5? Oh no, I've forgotten. I'm gonna do 4, and then if I check and then I do have another one. Wait, what am I doing? I just check now. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. I need to do it 5 times. False. And then one more. And then 2. 3. And last one is 4. 4. Right. Two. 60. Wait, hold your horses. Is it 2? 2560, 2560, 2560, 2560, 2560. Knew I fucked it up. Right. 3,800 and 40 is 4K. Anyone playing my game in 4K though is absolutely insane. Right, because I don't think I'm even gonna make the models that good. Did I fuck up on that again? See, this is why I always double check. Is I get suspicions. Right. God, look at this. Beautiful. Target. This blueprint itself is not a game user setting. Literally says target is game user settings, and then it says in the error the blueprint is not game user. What? I feel like it's an idiot. But then again, I'm an idiot, so it could be a fault on my side. Oh, sorry, Dom, I missed out your message. A friend called me to ask about doing something together, and it spilled into a 15-minute conversation. No, I totally get that, Dharma. I totally get that. I've done worse than that. I remember I was in a call. I can't remember who it was. I don't know. It wasn't my doctor. I think it was a healthcare worker for me, and the conversation was meant to be like we were scheduled for only like 5 to 10 minutes just to discuss something, and some his okay. To be fair, we are both nerds. We both because I found out in our very first session with the worker, I found out, oh, he really enjoys like Marvel, DC, nerdy shit. And if I recall, a game just came out. What was it? What was it that came out? Because I was explaining to him that I was playing Warhammer. It was a Warhammer game. It was maybe was it Space Marines? Might have been Space Marines too. But we just started just going. So the 5 to 10 minute consultation turned into an hour and 45-minute nerd geek out of the Warhammer universe. I mean, it wasn't just we didn't just talk about Warhammer. We did somehow delve into there was a new TV show for Marvel. I think it was Agatha All Along. I don't know if it was Agatha All Along or it was a magic show for Marvel. Anyways. The poor okay, to be fair, I shouldn't say the poor. It was equally both our fault. We were talking about it. And it wasn't until we looked like it wasn't until he was getting another call that he panicked because he realized we've been chatting away for an hour and 45 minutes when he was meant to do something else after my consultation. And I felt bad, but at the same time, at any point in time, he could have because he knew all he has to do is to say, "Hey, gotta go." That's the normal way of like just being direct. And I'm like, I would have been fine with that. I would like, if anything, I would prefer it because I was quite worried that I got him into trouble, but he reassured me it was not my fault. He was I mean the constitution was for 10 minutes, but it's like anyways. He to be fair, he did say he enjoyed the conversation because it was rare that he got to talk to people about like nerdy shit because I don't know why he didn't tell me. He just said it was really rare for him to. Anyway, I'm getting so fucking distracted. Anyways, oh, maybe it would have been. Maybe it would have been. No, 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 no. I'm getting really distracted. Work. To be fair though, I am a professional yapper, and I do every person I ever meet in a conversation, if I start yapping away and I realize I'm yapping away, and this is usually like 30 minutes into my yapping session, I do tell people, hey, just tell me to shut up. I won't be like, if you just say shut up, I won't be offended. I won't get hurt. Please, I beg of you, do it, because if not, I will continue. Why did my music stop? Right. I will continue to yap away until, well, basically until you know you die from your ears bleeding due to me non-stop yapping. Right, what was I doing? I got fucking distracted. Right, I was going back to designer mode. Right, save. I'll sort out this error later. I want to sort out the options menu first. Right. No, I don't know how to fucking spell that. Hold on, I'm just gonna copy and paste. Oh, that's why. Okay. Enum. I want enum to string. Right. To string. Right, there we go. So, to text string. Oof. My stomach is not happy with me, and I don't know why, because I didn't eat anything wrong. I've literally just had crackers this morning, because I am crackers. No, I had crackers and jams this morning for breakfast, because I wasn't feeling that hungry. Oof, I'm starting to see why. Hold on. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna go take some of my meds, aka pain meds. Just probably not wise, because they can cause hallucinations, but you know what? I'm not gonna complain about it. Right. Oh god, wrong thing. Ah! Touchy touch. Right, there we go. Right, oh no, that's still quite hard though. Maybe... Let's do it down to 15 decibels. That's decent, right? Right, anyways. Apologies about that. It wasn't meant to, literally it was gonna take a minute at max. But what happened was, I ended up having a fucking, fight with a fucking flying, daddy longlegs. That was not fun. But at the same time, I'm sort of glad because now my Huber is completely filled with dead spider corpses. And you may wonder, why is that a good thing? Well, my son has gotten into a love-hate relationship with spiders. He doesn't like the spiders moving, but he loves looking at their dead corpses in my Hoover. Um, is that concerning? Probably. Am I gonna am I gonna say anything about it? No, because I think about it too much, I probably might get concerned. Right. I need to do create another binding. This time this is for the this is for fucking int point break. And then return value to be int switch switch to no switch on, not switch to int, switch on int. That's where I'm going wrong. Right, and then I need 4 pins for each of the resolutions. Um, control copy, copy. No. Let me just copy a bunch of these. Yeah, right. One of these days, I'll get it to work. Right. Mm, medium. Right. Sync. Branch. Right. It's true. Enough. Oh. Right. Oh wait, hold on, I fucked up. Hold on. Right. Do this. Options. Menu. TV. Button. Right, this is gonna build me some fix it. Main menu. Right. Some padding because I don't want. Remove from parent. Create widgets. Main. And then wait, do I add viewport or return to viewport? issues. I've got two failure issues, so Xbox 6. This needs is there another apply settings? That one works. Why does that one not work? What? I'm so confused. Why is the settings not working? Am I dumb? Wait, I might just be dumb. That's always an option. I might just be dumb. Hmm. Hmm. Why are you not showing? Hold on. Is it you? Is it you? So it's not you. It's not you. Not you. Not you. This is self. The blueprint self is not not a game user settings. What? No, it literally says target is game user settings. Applies all current user settings to the game, saves it the parent storage. Additionally, target is game user what? If I untick that, what happens now? Still. What if I? Okay, now if I compile, that's fixed. Right, it's binding. Xbox 6. What? Property text block integrated on widget. Get text has the wrong number of arguments. It needs to return to value 1. It needs to return to the value of 1 and takes no parameters. What? Get text number 1. On widget 6. One widget 6. Get text 1. Oh, okay. So it's saying like because I have no return value, it doesn't accept. Right. What do I do about that? Is a good bloody fucking question. Right. Right. Don't get text. Uh, uh, right, so if I get rid of that and then compile. Fuck. Wait, did it work? What went wrong? Still. Hold on. Function get text. Hold on, let me just fucking back up where the fuck I done. Right. Okay, so the output has to remain the same, but can I just no. So now if I compile. Yeah, get fucked, mate. Right. Oh, did I just do it? Right. So now if I do play. Oh, oh, don't like how this looks, but you know what? It's better than nothing. Right, so wait, main menu. Right, can I have it so it opens in a new window? Because I want to test out everything, and I can't if it's in the... Can I pop it out? How do I pop out? How do I change settings? Might have to use Google. Google! Unreal Engine 5. How to play the game in new window. To play a game in a separate menu, click the vertex on the main toolbar. You mean this thing? Oh, fuck it. New... Ah, okay, so look, now it's... So now if I go to multiplayer... Not multiplayer. I go to options and then go to windowed, light changes. Light changes. Windowed. Oh my god. I'm a genius. And then the same with this. Probably shouldn't do that one. Oh. Oh my. I regret doing that one. Oh. The menu and oh. Whoa! Don't have a pause menu. I just realized I don't have a pause menu. Right. I think that might be what I work on next, is give myself a pause button. Right. God, I'm so impressed. I need to make this look a lot more pretty, but I want to add the features in first and then make it look pretty. Right. What do I even have the main menu? I could have it so that when I could have it so it slides. Have it so there's like an animation in which it slides to the left, where you can just see like um it slides to like a map animation. That's anyway, that's too advanced. Too advanced. Anyways. Campaign. Ugh, beautiful. Whoa! Do me better. Right. Yeah. Yep. Oh god. Right. Yep. 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 Parkour, hardcore parkour. Right. Anyways. Right. So I'm just enamored. I mean, I know it seems very little to people. It's like, oh, it's just for me, it's a big thing, just to be able to like change all this, or like even I think my favorite one is this one though, because it's like a major change. Oh my goodness, I am proud of myself. I know it's very little. I know it's probably what all other devs can do within seconds, but I'm pleased with myself. Right. Actually, what if I do this? Oh god. Oh god. God, seeing this on low? Yeah, it's great for fucking performance, but damn is it ugly. Yeah, I'm gonna... So if I go back to this now and go to options... Yeah, nice. It stays... Oh, yay! Actually, I might go windowed for screens. So that when I go... Oh, yes. Oh, look at this. Wah! 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 Y'all are fucked now. I've got myself a nice main menu. Right. Wow. As soon as I sort out the card system and start battling, y'all are fucked. Right. Right. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Wah! 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 Right. Oh, that feels so... You have no clue how amazing that feels. Just to have this. Oh, right. Okay. What's my next goal? I think it was to make a pause button, wasn't it? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I think I might make a pause button. Hmm. Do I do pause or do I do... No, I'll do a pause menu. Yeah, let me load up my other menu because it's going to be during gameplay. Using what? How do I don't know why my dock is like this. Why are you like this? Oh, it's because it's in a new, yeah, I see now. Right. Okay. I am on low, medium, right? Hold on, let me just... Yeah, I'm on medium. Good. Right. Right. What am I doing? Main menu. I have a pause button. Okay. I've only been doing this for an hour. Why am I already getting tired? Damn, my brain is running on 2%. Damn. Right. Okay, let's... I'm gonna do pause menu. Right. Goddamn. Why am I so goddamn tired today? Actually, no, I do know why. I fucking drank some tea. Caffeine. Right. Right, okay, button. God, that seems so wide. Right, and then I need some text, don't I? Well, let me actually hold on, let me just add the buttons first. So I want pause. What, no, resume, main menu, and then quit, right? Those are the three I really need. Text. Right, and then so this be do resume or return? I'll say resume. Oh my god, one more time, I'm gonna throw a fit. Right. And then this one will be quit. Right. I know I said I wasn't gonna make it look pretty, but sue me. Mm. Mm. Alright, so now I need to put some patterns. Do I do 50? 50? Uh, okay, oh, come on. Let me just anchor this to the middle. No, I want. I'm gonna start having a fit. Right, middle. God damn it, I'm gonna have to manually move this on. I don't make me manually move you into a fucking. Right. There. Shit, how small is that gonna look? I might just realize it might be a bit too small, isn't it? Isn't it? Fuck. Right. Hold on. Size 50. 50. Right. That looks kind of cool, doesn't it? Right. Invert. Why does it do it over here? I'm gonna throw a fit. Right. Once again, I'm going to use Google. Hey, okay, how do I change... How to change escape, not exit, game. Unreal Engine 5. I want escape to be pause. Right. Shortcuts. General shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts. There are no keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard. Oh, I saw it. Right. I want escape. No, when I'm in the game, you fucking Pretty wild. Right. There we go. This is what I want. Control. Wait, actually, no, I want Control Alt. Shit. Why not? Okay. Okay, how about fuck it, you know what? I'll go for this now. For now. So now if I play this new, where to escape. Perfect. But if I press down, yes! Oh, it's beautiful! Beautiful! Right. I mean, I know it's a simple saying, but you know what? Shut up, okay? Right, actions, input action. Shit, I was meant to rename that. IA. Am I in the right area? Right. Input. Ah. Nope. Wrong character, wrong character. Let's start on. Widget. Create widget. Add viewport. Set game paused. Right. Get player controller. Set show as cursor. Set. Actually, wait, no, it's the target, isn't it? Hold on. Set input mode UI only. Right. And then, sorry. Oh, I forgot to choose pause menu. So if I do compile, save. So now if I go back to pause menu, if I go to click on review, button. Resume. Main menu pause. Quit. Excuse moi. Pause. Right, so if I go onto this button, and unclicked. Set game pause. Get player controller. Show mouse. Set input game only. And then remove from parents. I just realized something with my hold on. Hold your horses. First person. Not what I wanted, I wanted characters. I have a feeling. Oh no, I did. I mean, it's always good to double check, because if I didn't double check and it was wrong. Boy oh boy. Right, and then main menu, unclicked. Create. Oh, I know, I'm just open level. Oh no. Open level. Right, and then quit. Well, right, now if I press play. Oh, resume. So I can be doing this and it'll be like, wah, wah. Oh, it's concerning how that looks. Wah, wah, wah. Oh god, doing that is glitchy as hell. Right. So if I do this. Oh me oh my. Oh, I'm in love. I am in love. Oh, but it respawns me. I'll figure out something in the future to fix that so it doesn't respawn, it just continues. What I have to do is saving and loading to continue state, which I haven't created yet because I have no clue how to create that yet. But until then, I'm happy. Me happy. Right. Whee. So they can go back to the options, change something, apply changes, go back to main menu, and press play again. Oh. Wow. 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 Oh, that's so. I'm making great progress and I love it. Right. Do I add music is a question now. I've got so many choices now, I don't even know what to do anymore. However, I did just realize we have reached the 2-hour mark. Oh, I would love to continue, but I have other things to do. Which I know, so it's so sad. Right. Let's go to stream manager. And actually let me change my thing first. I apologize if this one was a lot quieter, it's because I was just getting a lot done. Alright. So let's change this into streamers ending. Oh, look at that. Babum. Right. Let's find someone to raid into. Is there anyone else doing Unreal Engine? Ooh, Joe Wielded is currently... He's doing a fish dating. Oh, that's amazing. Gotta love fish dating. Let me see if there's any Unreal or Blender. Because I always want to try and find some more Unreal and Blender. God, everyone's using Godot and Unity. Dark Souls but turn-based. Now that sounds cool. And he's using Unreal Engine 5. Let's have a look-see. Let's have a listen to what he's up to. Hmm. Hmm. So many choices, so many choices. Tower defense. Turn-based action. Blueprint only, working on UI stuff. Ooh. Ooh, let's have a look-see. Let's have a look. I love the name as well, Chura Chomp. And they have a really cute voice as well. Alright, let's start a raid on them. They sound adorable. Right. Well, I would just like to say thank you to everyone that's... I know that today was a lot more quiet, but that's the reason why I have music in the background. Is when I'm doing stuff like this where it's very, like, I'm thinking through, being very quiet, sorting out a couple of things. I'm just having something in the background for you guys to listen to while I'm working on it. So thank you so much for everyone, you know, that decided to just bear with me when I'm trying to work all this stuff out. And I hope you go show some True Trump some love.